Susok! Gusto mo lang sa mata.
You said it's you. It doesn't have your name.
I don't care.
It's not you.
Ayun.
Ay, nagpapay na. Oy.
It's not you.
Kasi ako, malinis na ako.
It doesn't have a name on it.
Ayun.
Why do you have a name on it? You said it's you.
Mamili siguro mga batay ng mga precious things niya. Wala ba nagigda ka? Kaya natindot ako dyan. Lupad na sa gawas lagi.
And what? Why?
I will make it fly.
Why you make it fly? It doesn't have wings.
I don't care. Not all things that have wings can fly.
And what?
Like
Thing?
ostrich. Can an ostrich fly?
Oh.
Oh.
Yes,
Speechless.
it can fly, but not to. Oh yes, yes.
Oh. I will not consider it because it's not your idea. You must learn to have your own ideas.
I've learned to laugh. I learned from it. So that's the idea.
Tsaka na siya no kay kuha ganang hindi siya magagamang iyaha.
Yeah.
Tama ko. We're creative.
I'm very creative.
Wag mo pag natay mo hang kuan kanang zodiac sign.
But you said I'm not creative.
Pick up.
I'm not copying.
Copy paste.
Wait, copy what I'm saying? No.
Mura
So
ko
I'm
ka
creative too.
mura ko ka base ano? Ugly lang ng ugly.
I don't think.
Natawa na siya di hang joke.
Ikaw ko lang may joke.
Di ka maugama.
You don't like jokes.
You're such a disappointment.
Eh, what disappointment? I don't like jokes.